Meaning of forlorn.
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 Forlorn. The word forlorn is an adjective that refers to a person or thing that appears sad, abandoned, or lonely. It conveys a sense of hopelessness or desolation. A forlorn individual may feel forgotten or neglected, while a forlorn object may be rejected or discarded. The term often implies a sense of longing or loss, suggesting a feeling of having been left behind or overlooked. Overall, forlorn describes a state of melancholy and despondency that arises from feelings of isolation or despair.